Hi, my name is Akash Suman. I have completed my graduation in 2021 year. After completing my graduation, I was not able to get the jobs. So I found the best institute in the India. So one of my friend told me about the Pyspider. So I went to Bangalore from my hometown Jaipur, and in Basavanagudi I joined the institute. The institute was really fine. All the faculty was highly trained, and the culture of the Pi Spider was really nice, like presentations, groups, and so I was learning there for Python full stack developer course. My half of the course was only completed, and that time the corona came back, so I have to come back to my hometown, and I was really worried like how my study will be continue. But they started online classes that time also, and I got a job before completing my course only. So I would like to thank to the whole Pi Spider team, all my teachers, Abuja Sri ma'am, Anto sir, and Nandita ma'am. I would like to suggest one thing to all the students, like uh, have a patience. If you are in Pi Spider, you will surely get a job. That's all. Thank you.